Welcome to our channel. Discover how to effortlessly activate your SoFi credit card today and start enjoying its benefits right away. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple and straightforward steps to activate your SoFi credit card so you can use it without any hassle. First things first, when you receive your SoFi credit card, make sure to check that it arrived safely and the card details are correct. Activation can be done either online through the official SoFi website, via phone, whichever method you prefer. Here's how to activate your SoFi card step by step. 1. Visit the SoFi website or open their mobile app. If you haven't already set up your account, go ahead and register by entering your personal details and setting up a secure password. 2. Once logged in, locate the credit card section and select the option to activate your card. 3. You will be prompted to enter your credit card number and some verification information such as your date of birth. The last 4 digits of your social security number. This step is crucial for security, so only enter this info on official platforms. 4. After submitting the required details, you may need to confirm your identity by entering a code sent via SMS or email. 5. Once verified, the activation will complete instantly, and your card will be ready to use. Alternatively, if you prefer to activate by phone, call the number provided on the card sticker or the SoFi customer service line. Follow the automated prompts or speak to a representative who will assist you with the activation process. Remember to have your card and personal identification handy when you call. It is also important to keep your card active by making at least one purchase or payment every few months to avoid any deactivation issues. Activating your SoFi credit card is quick and safe. When you follow these steps, you can start managing your finances more efficiently and enjoy the perks of your new card without delay. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like the video for more useful financial tips and guides.